Floor fountain is named from its installation form, different from the normal fountains installed in water ponds. Floor fountain is installed underground with normal ground surface. When the fountain working, beads of water spray from the underground and flutter in the air. The fountain ground shines like a mirror under the light's irradiation, which can strongly catch passerby eyes. When it stops, the fountain ground returns to pedestrian walkway or public square, which does not affect the traffic condition. Floor fountains applicable type could be both musical and program control and is widely applied in public square, hotel, restaurant, shopping center, office tower, street scene, etc.